is September 11th, T-minus 16 days, and we just woke up. It's 9 something. I have my tea and my breakfast, and we're gonna just go hiking around today. Hi, we're in the tent tonight. We switched with mom and dad. Today was fun. We went to Kalalog Beach, Ruby Beach, and we skipped rocks. Maggie, you did really good, right? And then we played Uno with our family. Oh, we also went to Forks, which was interesting. And now we're going to bed. Good night. Good night. See you tomorrow morning. Breakfast time. It is September 12th, 2023. T-minus 15 days until the start of college, and right now we're packing up from camping and we're gonna head back home today. It's 6:11, we had dinner, and we're finally home. And I'm really tired. And this one is still going to swim practice. So we're gonna clean up a bit and and then go with her to practice. Hi, we're back home now. This is my Totoro plush. And we are going to bed because it is past 10 o'clock already, and I have a appointment tomorrow morning at 9:30, so I have to go to bed. But overall, camping was really fun, an experience that was really special, and I loved it. I got a lot of cute pictures. We visited the beach yesterday. I also really love spending time with my family, which is not as often as I like because we're all so busy with school and other stuff. But I'm excited we got to do this before I headed out to college.